What you got there? What did you get for Father's Day? Hey, Happy, look what I got you. It's a blue cup with the letter P for Pablo. Now, you can bring this cup into the iced coffee cream parlor and ask them to put your milkshake in this instead of using the disposable cups. Ah, look at that. Our little baby coffee picked out some coffee for you. How cute. What's this? A donut-themed towel? Now you can go to the beach together. We all picked this. I think it suits you very well.